China, the world's most populous country, has undergone rapid change and development over the last few decades, with many cities becoming centers of industry and modernity. Perhaps the biggest change can be seen in Beijing, China's capital city, which has undergone an amazing transformation since the early 1980s, transforming from a relatively small-sized city into one of the largest cities in Asia in just over 30 years, and one of the most modern cities in all of China. Beijing, one of the most populated places on Earth, has been the center of Chinese civilization since the 12th century. With more than 20 million people living there and millions more traveling to visit every year, it's no wonder that Beijing can be difficult to navigate if you're not familiar with it. It has an estimated population of over 20 million people, while the greater metropolitan area has more than 45 million. In terms of size, it is one of the largest cities in the world. As a result, this city has seen a lot of development over the years to accommodate for its rapid population growth. This includes things like new skyscrapers, expressways, subway systems, and public parks. These developments have helped to make living in Beijing easier for those who live there by creating new housing options, such as apartments with everything from basic amenities to luxurious finishes that are within walking distance from work or school, and attractions that can be reached on foot or by public transportation. The infrastructure in Beijing is amazing. It has amazing public transportation, including the subway system. I was able to travel across the city without ever having to step outside into the polluted air. Beijing has a great bike-sharing program which made it easy to get from place to place on time and schedule. Traffic flows very smoothly through the city, and there is never any kind of rush hour or bottlenecking like there can be back home. One thing I really loved about Beijing was how clean it is. It feels very safe with all the police officers around, as well as random people who will stop and help you cross a street or find your way somewhere if you get lost. This city is home to some of the tallest buildings in the world, including the second tallest building in Asia. There are also many parks and other green spaces in this sprawling city. It seems as though every corner you turn, there is something new and beautiful to see. Beijing has undergone an immense amount of development over the past decade, as it has become one of the economic powerhouses in Asia. The GDP for the country was $11.4 trillion USD in 2015, making it the world's second largest economy. It has a population of 1.37 billion people, which is 17% of the world's population. The future of Beijing City is looking bright, as the city has made huge strides in infrastructure, development, and technology. From the 2022 Winter Olympics to new subway lines that are being built, Beijing's future is extremely promising. We hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please hit the like button below and make sure you subscribe to see our new future videos. Also, please let us know in the comment section what is your favorite place that everyone should visit. Be blessed and thanks for watching.